Latest on the transfer news, sanibona bafethu uvanele, so I'm back again with another news kuyindaba ze-PSL. Namhlanje nginiphathele indaba ezimnandi. Sekhukhune United have signed SuperSport United striker Bradley Grobler on a 1-year deal with an option to extend. Ngeke ngakhuluma about uBradley Grobler kuma video amabili adlule. Yabo, I spoke about him wanting to go to Sekhukhune United. Sekhukhune United something angempela. Eric Tinkler was very honest about this player. Esho ukuthi uyamfuna ngempela lapha eSikhukhune. So nayi ke indaba seyiphumile indaba. Umjida uzojoina eSikhukhune United uma kuqala le season entsha. I hope uzofika adlale kahle lapha mase beya extenda icontract yakhe. But ke iminyaka yakhe useyaguga yena umdlali. Useyaguga but ke usenawo amagoli. Bradley Grobler is that striker escora ngempela musifaka nje uyakunikeza amagoli. Udinga nje i-team ezomnikeza amabhola phambili ashaya nets. Yabo. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa AmaZulu FC have completed the signing of Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Darren Johnson to replace outgoing uVeli Motwa. USotho are making adjustments in their squads as they prepare for the 2025-2026 Betway Premiership season. Yabo, AmaZulu ngempela aserious ngempela lapha emuva. Basasana kudedela uVeli Motwa njengoba bezolanda nje uDarren Johnson lo bedlala eChippa United. Yabo, uVeli Motwa ke ngikhulumile ngaye izolo uyojoina eChippa United. I'm sure this was a swap deal if I'm not mistaken, but ke vele bisiphele icontract kaVeli Motwa uyojoina iclub vele asekayidlalela before. Kwezinye izindaba ezimnandi amaKaizer Chiefs fans azoyijabulela kuthiwa sources confirmed that iKaizer Chiefs are interested kwi-striker sase-Nigeria u-Etiosa Ighodaro. Ighodaro was on loan from AmaZulu at AmaZulu from Mamelodi Sundowns in the past season, but it's believed that he's going to be a free agent uma kuphela le season le. Yabo, njoba izophela nje le season uIghodaro uzoba i-free agent. This is a talented striker. Yabo, I've seen people talking about this striker saying amagoli akhe awekho maningi ngaleyo ndlela to be a striker singadlalela iKaizer Chiefs. But if you can look at this player is a good striker. I saw him playing with SuperSport United. I was like, wow, who is this striker? And I went and searched the striker and I saw good man. The striker says Sundowns, let's basically loan SuperSport United. And I was very disappointed. Yabo, Sundowns ayimsebenzisanga ngalo mjida lo yamsign, but they didn't use this guy. Bebelo bemlona nje bemlona. Yabo, right now bekumaZulu. Yes, kumaZulu ayitholanga. Ngeke ngisho sayithola in game time. Akenzanga kahle kumaZulu. Yabo, njobe engenzanga kahle, so AmaZulu ngiyazi ayenza ideal yakhe ibe permanent. iKaizer Chiefs yona interested. Yabo, ufuna umsign umjida. Mamelodi Sundowns are looking to release this player abe free agent. iKaizer Chiefs ke ngiyayazi iyakwazi ukuthola abadlali abama free agent. Lo mje mase afike kwiKaizer Chiefs angifuna ungiqambela manga. Njobe sana kurelease nje uRanga Chivaviro. Lo mje uzofika shine kwiKaizer Chiefs because if you can check that squad right now, abadlali ababalandayo bazoyisutha istyle of play kaIghodaro. This player is a talented striker. He's a talented striker. Come back to this video next season if iKaizer Chiefs bemthola uIghodaro. Yebo, asazi ke akhona amanye ama team esengazama ukuhijack le deal le. Yebo, Orlando Pirates, I remember they were interested ku-Etiosa Ighodaro last season. We don't know now ukuthi basa interested yini kulo mdlalo lo. If they want to hijack this deal, they may hijack it. Yebo, kuya ngokuthi ubani utable i-offer e-right etafuleni. Kwezinye izindaba ezishisayo, Orlando Pirates have entered into discussions with Rulani Mkwela earlier this week regarding the head coach role. They aim to secure the deal as quickly as they can so he can prepare for a pre-season which will be held in Spain. Hey, ngiyakhumbula indaba zikaRulani. Hey, uRulani Mkwena bafethu ucoach lo becoacha iMamelodi Sundowns wasaka kweSundowns wajoin iWydad Casablanca. Right now akanayo team azoyicoacha. Njengoba ingekho team azoyicoacha, Orlando Pirates have entered the race to sign uRulani Mkwena to be the new head coach of Orlando Pirates. Yabo, right now Orlando Pirates unoMandla Ncikazi who is helping the team ukuthi ibe fit for i-pre-season. Right now they need a head coach. Njengoba bedinga nje i-head coach, ikhona iZamalek izama ukulanda uRulani Mkwena. Ikhona iPyramids FC. Pyramids FC ama representatives ePyramids adela eSouth Africa ezokhuluma naye uRulani Mkwena about him joining iPyramids. Ingabe uzokhetha ideal yePyramids noma akhethe ideal yeOrlando Pirates. Konke kulelekene uRulani Mkwena, but ke inhliziyo yakhe yena i-black and white. I remember when they asked him lapha kwiSoccer Africa bambuza ukuthi okay, if an opportunity presents itself in front of you, will you join Orlando Pirates? If Dr. Ivan Khoza gives you or hands you a contract to coach Orlando Pirates, would you join Orlando Pirates? Wash Orlando Mgwen. Wash. What I will kindly accept that offer. Yabo. Anga accept I offer ukuthi I join Orlando Pirates. Ikhona ke Pyramids right now. Nayo iyafuna ukuthi I join. Ngokwakho nowangitshela ama comments, which team should Rulani Mgwena choose between Pyramids FC and the Orlando Pirates? They are neck and neck right now. Pyramids FC are serious about their project. They want to achieve more on this African football. They recently won the Champions League. Are they building their squad for the FIFA Club World Cup? Ezolandela, not this one. Asas. But again, Pyramids are very, very interested now. Orlando Pirates kuthiwa ade khuluma ngempela. Ingabe le deal le izoconclude anytime soon? We don't know. Maybe Orlando Pirates izompresenta nje even next week asazi ke. Yabo, indaba lezi developer abafethu ngizolo ngini update nje. Yabo, ngibonile abantu abaningi ade bengibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kwezinye izindaba, Mamelodi Sundowns and Khulisiwe Modal's representatives continue to talk over a new deal. For now, Sundowns isamnikeze 1 year deal yabo with the option uthi extend ku June 2026, but ke bafuna ideal entsha. Ingakhohlwa ukuthi uKhulisiwe Modal ubefunwa iEsperance isakhona kwi-picture. Ingabe Esperance izokwazi ukumsign asazi. Kwezinye izindaba, uMahlathela says to join iRichards Bay FC. The 34-year-old will embark on a new chapter after an explosion of Royal AM. He joins Mfundo Thikazi and Sibangani Zungu from Royal AM. Yabo, umjida usizodlalela iRichards Bay FC. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs izoqhubeka once again idlale ama games ayo amanye le eMoses Mabhida next season eBetway Premiership. Ama games ayo eBetway Premiership amanye izowahostela eMoses Mabhida. Menikhumbula ke last season they did the same thing. They hosted their few games eMoses Mabhida. Kwezinye izindaba, uFred Grilake set to stay in Egypt once again with the Cleopatra Ceramica is expected to make his deal permanent. Yabo, he was on loan from Pyramids FC mjida bedlala kahle, but ke they decided to loan him with Cleopatra Ceramica. Yabo, but ke bona bafuna ideal yakhe ibe permanent with iCleopatra. Bafuna umjida ahlale ngiyazi abuye la South Africa usayoqhubeka ahlale nje eEgypt. Yabo, I hope umjida uyadlala kahle lapha ayidlela imali. The pride of Eastern Cape madoda, sporting director wase Eastern Cape uSinesipho Mali osathanda kusayinwa iJibo United, uchairman uSiviwe Chipa Mpengisi wase Eastern Cape, mase kubu head coach uSinethemba Bhatela wase Eastern Cape. Ingabe bazokwazi nokumlanda uMark Mayambela abe iassistant coach yaSinethemba Bhatela. Mase nibheke iYouth le bafethu. Yebo, iYouth le elandwayo la balida ngempela. The African brothers are really pushing ibrand eChipo United. Yabo, I'm so proud. Bafana iyodlala ifinal iCOSAFA Cup against iAngola. Bawinile namhlanje, they won go 3-1. Yabo, bawinile kuyangijabulisa kakhulu bafethu. Engathi bangaphusha kanje Hugo Bros uzoba nenkinga ngempela mase setha ischeme siyodlala kwiAFCON. Uzoba nenkinga ngempela. Le squad lesi siyadlala ngempela, siyathembisa kunabadlali la ubonayo ukuthi okay, next season bazokhombisa ngempela ukuthi why be deserve ukuyodlala kwiAFCON. Phuso Tizejana is one of those players abadlala kahle. Ime Okon, wow, what a wonderful player. Eden McCarthy, wow, that guy lo number 8 lo uyangikhohle igama lakhe. Yabo, udlala esiswini umjidi uyadlala, perfect player. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iDurban City boss uFarouk kuthiwa kusasa uzoreviewa ngesizini entsha lezoqala. Njoba izoqala lesizini uzobheka ukuthi benze kanjani la season. Yabo, uthi let's talk after the review. Akazi ukuthi ucoach bazomgcina yini lo coach lo uba coach right now. Hey, ingabe future yasimodladla ileli kephi? Kwezinye izindaba, Kaizer Chiefs are thinking about extending icontract kaSibongiseni Mthetho. Angazi ma comments ungangitshela angalezo indaba ukuthi ngabe uhappy yini ukuthi uSibongiseni Mthetho icontract yakhe izo increase kweKaizer Chiefs bamsayina kweStelis. Kwezinye izindaba, Tsepang Moremi is set to join Orlando Pirates from AmaZulu. Umjida ke lo udlalela bafana right now. Umjida udlala kamnandi uzojoin Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates will have a new winger kwi-season entsha. Udlalela ama game awu 31 with ama goals ayi 4, 7 assists. umdlalo omuhle lo bafethu.